Presenting Hillfort House. This accommodation is your key to eternal comfort in Brighton, UK. A modern student housing, Hillfort House offers a variety of comfortable ensuite and spacious studios to choose from. All the rooms come with a cozy double bed, plenty of storage space, a wardrobe, and a comfortable study desk for your everyday needs. Get a wide range of amenities like high-speed Wi-Fi to binge-watch your favorite series and a fully equipped gym at no extra cost. Write your assignments in the comfortable study room away from distractions. If you want to take a break, head down to the communal room where you can sit back and relax with your friends. The Hillfort House is located just a short distance from Brighton University Molsacombe campus and the University of Sussex, making it the best accommodation choice for students studying in either of unis. You are also just a short drive away from an adventurous weekend at the Chalky Downs campsite. With so many things to do, your stay here at Hillfort won't be any less than a great adventure. Don't miss out on this awesome property. Book your room at amberstudent.com today.